primarily carried out by machinery for efficiency and scale. Combines, equipped with cutting heads and threshing mechanisms, are the workhorses of wheat harvesting. These machines perform multiple functions in one pass. But in certain situations, farmers may need to inspect the wheat berries in person to assess quality, potential issues with pests or diseases, and overall crop condition. During milling, the wheat kernels are ground into a fine powder, a process that involves separating the bran and germ. This meticulous separation allows for the production of refined white flour. The bread-making process commences with the meticulous mixing the flour with water, yeast, salt, and occasionally supplementary elements such as sugar, fats, and preservatives. This initial stage lays the foundation for the bread's flavor, texture, and overall composition. The dough is then kneaded to develop gluten, which gives the bread its structure and texture. Industrial bread-making equipment can handle large quantities of dough efficiently, ensuring a consistent product. After the dough undergoes the crucial process of fermentation, it enters the shaping stage, where it is skillfully molded into the desired form. In industrial settings, the shaping process is often facilitated by automated machines, leveraging precision and efficiency to ensure uniformity across the production line. These machines excel at handling large quantities of dough, providing consistency and speed in shaping, key factors in meeting the demands of high-volume production. The use of automation in shaping not only streamlines the manufacturing process, but also contributes to the standardized appearance and texture of the final bread products, meeting the expectations of consumers for consistently shaped loaves. Baking is a crucial phase in the industrial bread-making process, and large-scale facilities leverage advanced technologies to ensure efficiency and consistency. When it comes to baking in such facilities, using large ovens and conveyor systems is paramount, especially for handling substantial quantities of bread. The massive ovens are capable of accommodating multiple trays or conveyor belts loaded with bread. They are designed to provide even heat distribution, ensuring each loaf is baked perfectly. The scale allows for the simultaneous baking of numerous loaves, optimizing production output. Some industrial bakeries incorporate steam injection systems into their ovens. Steam helps create a humid environment during the initial stages of baking, promoting a crisp crust formation on the bread. This technique is especially popular in the production of artisan-style bread, contributing to its distinct texture and appearance. After the baking process, some factories may employ additional steps to customize the final product or create various bread-based products. Breadcrumbs, obtained by crushing baked bread, are widely used as coatings for fried or baked foods, adding texture and flavor. One common practice is the automated slicing of the baked loaves. Industrial bread slicers ensure uniformity and efficiency, producing consistently sized slices for consumer convenience. Sliced bread is a popular choice for households due to its convenience for sandwiches and toasting. Large-scale bakeries employ automated packaging systems to handle the high volume of bread produced daily. Packaging materials are carefully chosen to preserve the freshness and quality of the bread. Many industrial bread packages incorporate features such as resealable closures or modified atmosphere packaging to extend shelf life and maintain the product's texture and flavor. In the realm of industrial bread production, the packaging of large quantities relies heavily on advanced machinery designed to handle the high volume of output efficiently. Automated packaging lines are equipped with conveyor systems and robotic arms. These systems work seamlessly to package multiple loaves of bread rapidly. Workers play a crucial role in overseeing and assisting these intricate processes. They are often stationed at key points along the packaging line, ensuring the smooth flow of operations, monitoring machinery performance, and addressing any unexpected issues that may arise. The packaging and distribution stages represent the final steps in the industrial bread production process, where precision, collaboration, and adherence to quality standards collectively ensure that the freshly baked loaves reach consumers efficiently and with the desired